Alright, what's up, Flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. So for today's video, we will be doing some perfume content. I'm going to be unboxing and smelling some new scents that I did pick up, also that were sent to me. So I want to let you guys know my thoughts on these perfumes and let you guys know if you guys should check them out and pick them up. Yes, before we do get started, make sure you guys are following me on all my social media. Instagram, I am Shalisha Marie. Snapchat is PrincessGirl18 and Twitter is XXXOX. And of course, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here a part of the family so you don't miss out on any more content. If you would love to see more of my face and more content from me, please subscribe and stick around and join the family because we are on the road to 100K. I'm so excited. It's around the corner. So let's go ahead and get there, y'all, and hit that milestone. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these perfume unboxings. Okay, so first I'm going to talk about one of my favorite perfume companies, of course, Dossier, literally one of the best perfume places on the market right now for some amazing scents that are affordable and high quality. So, of course, they sent me over some new scents to try out, and I got to pick out some of the ones that I really wanted to smell that were more recent that came out. So these are the two. If you guys are not familiar with Dossier, this is their packaging, beige boxes. Then of course you have the inside of the boxes. Now they do come with cards. Each scent gives you a card. They know the notes on it. It tells you the concentration and also just more about their company. So I have two. I'm gonna unbox them both. So the first one I picked out was Fruity Neroli, which is their version of Armani's My Way, which recently came out a little while ago, and it's more recent to the perfume community. I actually smelled that one and it smells delicious, but I wanted to check out Dossier's version. And then of course I really have been trying to get my hands on this scent, so I decided to smell Dossier's version first, and then I'm going to get a sample of the original to see if I really like it. But this is their version of Killian's Love Don't Be Shy, and this is Floral Marshmallow. So I am so excited. Y'all know I love anything that's gonna smell sweet and just cozy, sensual scents. I love gourmands as well, so that's my kind of scent. You guys know, if you've been here for a minute, y'all know my type of scents. So a while ago, Dossier used to give you a sample bottle of the perfume. I'm not sure if they stopped doing that, but I don't have any samples in mind, but it's okay because I'm not sending these back. But I'm gonna take them both out so you guys can see. So here are what the Dossier bottles look like. This is the Fruity Neroli and this is the Floral Marshmallow. So if you do not know, Dossier has some really expensive quality packaging. Their caps are magnetic, so they just click together when you put it down. You don't have to, you know, force it on there. I think that's amazing for how affordable these are. It's minimalistic, it's classy, I love it. So that's another touch I love about Dossier, and their labels are really nice as well. It keeps the notes on the top so you can know which one you're grabbing for. And then this one is the Fruity Marshmallow. This one has more of an amber type tone because of the notes in here. You're going to notice a lot of perfumes that are more dark and more amber tone, they're going to be more sweet, sensual, vanillas and stuff like that. The more lighter scents, like on the greenish tone, lighter beige, they're going to be more like fruities and florals and stuff like that. So that's something if you didn't know. A lot of gourmands are really dark, deep amber colors. Okay, so the first one we're gonna get into is the Floral Marshmallow, because that's the one I was most excited for because I love Killian. I love her perfumes. I've smelled Princess before. I need to pick that up. I heard it's being discontinued, so that sucks. I'm gonna try to get me a small one, and I'm just gonna try to, you know, stock up on them until they, you know, if I can get the big ones, because they're always out of stock, but the small ones are always in stock. So the notes for the Floral Marshmallow, the top notes are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. The middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, and the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. So that's where you get that amber color from, the vanilla and the amber and all that. That's where you get this kind of color from. The concentration is always 18%, of course. So let's go ahead and give this a spray. I'm going to spray this on the little cards, and I'm going to let it air out first, and we're going to see what she smells like. Okay. Okay, I do smell that marshmallow note. I love sweet scents, so that marshmallow was the number one thing that intrigued me to get this. Okay, this one does smell good. I like this. I think it's gonna have to grow on me too because it does have some like floral notes in here. But it does have some more like sensual notes to it, like the vanilla and the amber, which I do love. I love Marshmallow notes perfumes, and Neroli smells really good as well. But yeah, this one smells like, it's like the perfect balance of like sweet and like a little floral. If you like that balance, it's gonna be perfect. This is gonna be a really big hit for the spring and summer, just because it's so airy, it's light, it's still a little sweet, but it's also a little floral. So you don't have like a super like deafening sweet scent. You know, those in the summer aren't, you know, they're good, but you know, you kind of want something more like universal, like sweet and clean, you know. But oh, this smells, the more it's drying down, it smells even better. Like the marshmallow starting to come alive, and like that warmness, like the vanilla and the amber. Oh, it's starting to really come out. I like this one a lot. Yeah, I definitely can see me wearing this really soon. I cannot wait to see what this smells like on my skin. I'm gonna spray actually on my skin, and we'll talk about it at the end once I come back. So I'm gonna spray one, and we're gonna come back. Okay, and the next one is the Fruity Neroli. So the top notes on this one are bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, strawberry. I love fruity strawberry scent. Strawberry is my favorite, so I'm excited. The middle notes are jasmine, tuberose, orange blossom. Now those are more like floral. So I'm not really a floral girl, so those scream like floral flowers to me. So I'm not really into the middle. So we're gonna skip to the base. And the base notes are the vanilla, the musk, and the cedarwood, which I love. My favorite kind of scents, the sensuals. So here is the Fruity Neroli. I'm going to spray this one on this card. Let me keep them separate so I don't get them mixed up. Okay, so we're gonna give her a spray and see what she smells like. Off the top, I smell them fruity notes. I already smell the strawberry and the blackcurrant. Oh, this smells so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this one smells so good. Those top notes do it for me. Those fruity notes, I love it. I love how they put the fruit notes in the top, you know, because you get that right off the top when you spray the perfume. That's what you're gonna smell first as soon as you spray it out the bottle. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. That strawberry note is delicious. I'm sorry. And that black currant, you smell that too. All right now I'm smelling is the fruity note, and I'm in love. I love that. And when I originally smelled Armani My Way, it did smell really fruity, but I noticed the intense version smells more like bubblegum. It smells really good. But this one, oh, this one's beautiful. I'm sorry. Oh my god, if you love fruities, you're gonna love this scent. This is like pure fruity goodness. I love it. That black currant and strawberry together is beautiful. That's all I keep smelling, and I do smell some of that base note coming out, like the vanillas and that cedar. I do smell that. I'm not really getting the orange blossom. I'm not really getting too much floral notes neither. I'm getting sweetness. That's all I'm getting is sweet. So if you love sweet notes, you're gonna love this one. This one is delicious, and it's so intoxicatingly good. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for the spring and summer. This is it. And let me spray it on here, and we're gonna come back at the end like I told you guys. I'm gonna do two for that one, and we're going to come back and let it air out, and we're gonna see how it smells on my skin, y'all. See if I like it even more. So we're gonna come back to Dossier in a minute, but I'm going to unbox the perfume from my birthday. If you guys didn't check out my birthday vlog, make sure you guys check it out. I'll have a link below. My 22nd birthday vlog, I introduced a lot of my presents, but since this is perfume based, I'm so excited to introduce this one because I wanted it for so long, and it's a really popular fragrance in the women's category for fragrances. So of course we all know Maison Francis Kurkdjian. His fragrances are bomb.com. Like, he has some of the most top tier scents, versatile for men and women. I love that perfume house. It's so nice, and he has some beautiful fragrances in that niche collection. So of course I had to get the Gentle Fluidity Gold. Of course, I love it. It smells so good. If you're into the vanillas and stuff like that, pick up this scent. It's such a beautiful feminine scent, and I love it. It's universal too. Men and women can wear it, but to me, I feel like silver is more towards men, and I think the gold is more for women. That's what I picked up from getting the samples. I have samples of both. So this is the 70 ml. This was around like $2.50. So these fragrances are not cheap. So if you are really wanting to get into Mason's perfumes, I would suggest getting some samples. On his website, he has a section you can get four for around like $15, and you just pay for shipping. So I would do that. These perfumes are not cheap to just be blind buying. Do not blind buy a Maison Kurkdjian fragrance. Please don't, because you might not like it. You need to know the notes and understand if that's a perfume you want to spend a lot of money on. So let's open her up. This is the packaging. You guys do not know what she looks like. So luxurious and beautiful. So, oh my god, here is the box. So pretty and luxurious. I love it. So all you do is just pull this out. Here's the perfume. Oh my god, y'all, look at this perfume. I can't even, like, oh my god, I'm so excited because I wanted this perfume for so long, and I'm so glad to own it now. Like, I'm like finally touching it. Like, I'm just so excited. So, oh, this is so heavy too. It's nice and weighted. This is such luxurious packaging. I love it. It's like a full experience. So let me go ahead and spray her in here to let you guys know how she smells. Off the top, you're gonna love her. I'm sorry, it's not even no debate. If you don't like this scent, I don't know what to tell you. For real. This is that girl. This is like that girl fragrance, okay? Oh my goodness, it is just beautiful. It is such a like delicious grown woman vanilla. If I can describe it anyway, it's a grown classy vanilla. It's not like a sugary sweet. It's more of like a sweet but sophisticated sweet, if that can make sense. The juniper berries and the vanilla in this fragrance is so nice. You get like a fruity and like a sensual mixture. It's just the perfect blend of both with this perfume. Oh my goodness, please go get you guys a sample. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And the experience of buying one of these is top tier. Like, this is the packaging, child, okay? And I got this as a gift for my birthday, and I'm just so excited to own her because I really haven't wanted this perfume for so long. This is definitely 10 out of 10. Matter of fact, 15 out of 10, because just for the packaging, like the weighted top alone took me away because it just screams luxurious to me. And I love the bottle. It's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to put her on my dresser. I'm sorry, I gotta put her away because I don't want to mess her up and stuff like that. But y'all, I'm telling you, get you a sample of this perfume. You're going to love it. All right, y'all, let me come back to my Dossier wrist and let me get a whiff of what they smell like since they got to dry down some. So here is Floral Marshmallow. Ooh, that marshmallow is warming up to my skin. Yeah, that's delicious. I smell like it's just a sweet, like sugary, marshmallowy scent on my skin. Oh, I love it so much. It's like a caramely vanilla marshmallow cloud. Like, it just smells so good. If this smells anything like Kilian, and I heard a lot of reviews saying it's just like spot on, I'm gonna end up buying a sample of Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy, and I'm gonna do a video comparing the two alone and see how they smell, if they smell super identical or just like identical. But oh my god, this smells delicious, y'all. Yeah, this is the one. I'm sorry, if you love sweet scents, girl, get this one. I love this. But let's smell Fruity Neroli. Oh my god, these fruity notes, I can't even lie, that's all you smell. That's all you smell. Is like the all I'm getting is strawberry and like the black currant. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful spring and summer scent. These fruity notes in this perfume are just so delicious. Yeah, you can just tell the difference in both of these. This one has more of a stronger projection of fruit. This one has a stronger projection of sweetness. So if you like, now this one does smell sweet too. Don't get me wrong, this is sweet, but this is more fruity sweet. This one is more like warm sweet and sensual. If you love those cozy scents, get this one. If you love fruity sweetness, get this one. Honestly, you need to get both because they're both beautiful scents. I love them. You need both because they're winners. I love both and I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to wear them because, honey, these are going to be my spring rotation for sure. I love all three of these perfumes. And so that was the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these fragrances. If you guys have tried them, if any of these are your favorites, please let me know your feedback below. I would love to see what you guys think. I personally love all three, and I definitely highly recommend you guys check out Dossier if you are into the market of building your perfume collection up, or you just want to get some perfumes of some of your favorite fragrances that may be expensive and you want to have a backup that smells almost identical. Check out Dossier. I will have them below. I will have both of them linked below, the ones I mentioned in this video, along with their website. They have so many options, men fragrances, also women, and unisex. So they have a big variety. They have a lot of your favorites, like, you know, Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanilla. They have some Versace Bright Crystal. They have Mademoiselle. They have Chanel's Tender. They also have so many others. I can't even name. Idol. Oh, they have so many. Check it out. The link is below. You will not be disappointed. They have some great scents. Some of the scents, people have mixed reviews saying that the projection isn't long and the longevity, but for me, I have noticed that my fragrances have lasted all day when I wear the Dossier fragrances. I don't know, it's hit or miss with some people, different body chemistries, but just try it out for yourself, see if you like them. And I know you're gonna love the two I'm recommending today because they are awesome, top tier. So definitely check them out below. So as always, follow me on social media. Instagram, I am Shalisha. Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is xxshalishasflawless. And of course, please subscribe to join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, part of the family, and to see more of my face and more content. Of course, you want to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more uploads I am doing. Like I said, the road to 100K is real, so stick around and stay tuned. So with all that being said, that is the end of this video, everyone, and I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.